Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about text to column in Microsoft Excel. So for the same, I have created one table in which my first column contains the complete name, my second column will hold the first name, and my third column will hold the last name. So to achieve this or to fill out these two columns, what we will do, we will use the text to column, and with the help of text to column, we will fill the first name and last name, or or we will separate the name. Okay, so to use the text to column, first of all you have to select the data. So here I am selecting the data. Once data is selecting, once the data is selected, you have to press the alt a e. So once you hit the key alt a e, it will show this window. From here you have to go with the first option, that is delimited. Okay, so just click on next. After clicking on next, you here from here we can select the delimiters. So if we observe these names, so here we can easily find out, like these names are separated with space. So if we talk about the first name, that is James Mary, where James is the first name and Mary is the second name or last name. So which is separated with the help of space. So we can easily identify that each and every name of these data is separated with the help of space. So that's why I will select this space as a delimiter. And once we select this space as a delimiter, it will show the data, like it will show the data preview. Here we can see that the data is partitioned on the basis of space, or from where it will find the space. So this is how our data will get partitioned. Okay, so this is what we are requiring. So just click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask you for the destination. So from column data format, usually we go with the general. And for selecting, right now it is showing that it will populate the data on b4 cell. So this is the b4 cell, but we don't want to put our data here, we want to put our data in these two columns. So to select these two columns, what we need to do, we have to click on this button, and after that you have to click on the cell on which you want to put the data. So here I'm clicking this cell, that is c4, and after that you have to click on this button again. Okay, so once you click once you click this button, it will show you that destination is changed to c4. That is correct. So just click on finish, and it will show another pop-up, that is there is already data here, do you want to replace it? As I have already created the table for these two columns, so that's why it is showing us like data is already here. So you can just click on ok. So once you click on ok, it will we will get the output, that is James is the first name, Mary is the last name, Robert first name, Patricia last name. So that's how we can separate out the complete name into first name and last name. So that's how we can use the text to column concept. Now I will delete this again to go with to learn about the second approach. So now just select this data again. And if we talk about the long way, so for long way, if you don't want to use the alt ae command, so what you can do, you can click on this data tab. After that, just click on text to column, so it will give us the same screen again. Okay, so if I go with delimited again, so here if you don't want to use you don't want to partition your data with space, so we can select any other option like semicolon, comma. It might be possible that some name is written like Robert comma Patricia. So in that case, what we will do, we will separate out the name on the basis of comma. So that will be our delimiter. So from these list we can select any delimiter, or if you want to select any other delimiter that is not present in this list, so what you can do, you can click on other and just write here whatever the letter you want to make a delimiter. So for example, I am taking here like V. So what it will do, it will break down the name, or it will partition the name from letter V. Okay, so let's see how we will get the output. So just click on next. Now to select the cell, just click again on this button. Now select the cell, that is C4. Click on this button again and press finish. So once you press finish, select OK. So now our data is partitioned as in this way. Why? Because we have partitioned our data from V. So it consider V, letter V as a delimiter, and we got this kind of output. So that's how we can use any particular delimiter, or we can separate out the names with any particular or any specific delimiter. Okay. Now we will see the another option for text to column. So just select the text again, press Alt AE. Now we will select the fixed width. That is another option. So just click on fixed width and press next. So what we can do here we can see that there is a data preview. So we can set the break line. So to set the break line, you have to click on the line from where you want to break the text. So here I'm clicking on clicking here. So what it will do, it will break the data from this line, and just click next. So here we can see that now the data will be partitioned from this line only. Now I will press this button, select my cell, that is C4, click on this button again and just click finish. And once you hit OK, it will partition the data not from the space but from the line that I have set, or the break line I have uh, selected on that data preview screen. Okay, so that's how we can use the fixed width option of text to column, that is Alt AE, this option. So this is the fixed width option. So with the help of this fixed width alignment or fixed width option, we can select or we can set the break line from where we want to partition our data. So this is the another approach. If you don't want to go with any particular delimiter, so you can go with this fixed width option also. So that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will discuss few more things of Excel. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.